I get question asked a lot. How do I find a leak in my system? Well, the way we find it, there's a couple of ways. One of them is an electronic leak detector, which I don't have one here. And another one is we put dye in the system. Francisco's Automotive, if you live in the city of Irvine and you have an air conditioning problem, you can call me with any of your questions. But now we're talking about how to find a leak. I see people, they put Freon in and then it runs out, or they put too much in, they're charging it at home. Or I see that you go to another shop and they charge it and they send you on your way. Well, the two ways to do one of them is if you look carefully, there are traces of oil. Get a real bright flashlight. And there are little traces of like oil on the condenser, on the hoses, and that'll give you an idea. Now, if you're not sure, you drive by, I'm in Huntington Beach, 7662 Slater Avenue, and show me, point to something to me, and I'll tell you whether I think it's a leak or not. Because overcharge or undercharge can send your compressor to an early grave. So if you live in the city of Irvine, it's right next door. You drive over here, and I can show you or give you an idea whether I think it's a leak or not. Putting dye on it is a great way to do it, but I don't know if you have the capability. And do not put any of the sealant stuff on the can, because you're going to hurt somebody's machine, or it can plug other things. I don't believe in it. It's not good stuff for you. If you have a leak, more than likely that's not going to help you. But if you continue to run it low and you continue to charge it and overcharge it, you're going to kill the compressor. And the compressors are expensive. Most compressors that go out that I replace are man-made cost problem. That's why I have all my customers recharge their air conditioning every 4 to 5 years, whether it's cold or not. Cold is not a sign. Cold is a sign if you're in 120-degree weather and you're in Laughlin or Vegas or a hot place and your system is ice cold where you got to turn it down, then you know you have a good charge. But if you're in Huntington Beach and it feels cold, 80 degrees outside, it doesn't take much to get it that cold. So call us with any of your questions, 714-375-2661.